Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Sagittarius for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what's the messages for you Sagittarius. Four of Wands, Four of Cups, Seven of Pentacles. I think some reunion is going to happen in your love life, because in past I think there is miss opportunity. I think this could be you person or it could be you. I think one person invest in this connection and waiting for the results. Definitely this could be twin flame connection. Four of Wands. Yeah, definitely you are waiting for a reunion. So let's see what's happened in past in your connection. Nine of Cups, Death, Wheel of Fortune. I think you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Scorpio could be particularly the Death. I think one person in this connection undergo some transformation and a Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, some changes are happening in your connection. Those changes are for good only. I think you are their wish fulfillment, Sagittarius. Four of Swords. Yeah, you are thinking a lot. Two of Cups, but not taking any action. You are thinking, but you stand by your power. Right now in September month you will stand by your power definitely, because Queen of Wands, it's you Sagittarius, and Two of Cups, definitely you both love each other. And Four of Swords, I think you are thinking and you are in meditation state. Are you in rest mode right now? I think you are undergoing some transformation. Wow, Ace of Cups, it could be self-love also. Five of Wands, Temperance, it's you. Temperance means patience and balance. Yeah, right now patience and balance is needed. I think someone is fighting for you. You know your worth and you're this self-love. You give more power to you than anybody. You love yourself more than anybody. And Temperance, you are very balanced right now. So someone is waiting for you, someone is fighting for you, but you are in thinking mode, not action mode. So let's see your person energy, what they are up to little. King of Cups, yeah, they have emotions for you. Page of Pentacles, some messages is coming in your way. Gods of Queen of Cups, yeah, they have a lot of emotions for you. Queen of Cups and King of Cups, you both could be strong couple. Wow, Six of Cups, you have strong soulmate connection or past life connection with each other, because a lot of water energy is here. Lot of your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Six of Cups and Nine of Cups and Two of Cups is here, and King of Cups also. Or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely your person feel lot of emotions for you. They want to communicate you, they want to offer this cup of love to you. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you, but you love yourself. You are taking care of yourself. In the September month, it is very powerful month to you Sagittarius, because you stand by your power. Even though you love your person, but you give first priority to yourself. I am getting, because Ace of Cups is you love your person and you love more you than anybody, because you are taking care of yourself. I am getting, but your person now realizing your worth and they want to offer this cup of love, and they feel strong emotions for you, and they have strong emotions also. They also want to have, they also want reconciliation with you. So definitely they have strong emotions for you. I am getting the same message again and again. So this is the reading for you Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.